Hello everyone and welcome to a video of how to delete memory dump files to free up space. Okay, so when your computer crashes or encounters a serious error, it creates a memory dump file to log the state of your system memory. So deleting memory dump files help reclaim valuable storage spaces and can improve your computer performance. So to learn how to delete memory dump files, simply follow this guide step by step. So the first thing you have to do is to press the file explorer, as I'm doing right now. And once you're here, you have to go to your C disk, the disk where Windows is installed, in my case it's this one, and you have to find the Windows folder. So once you're here, you have to scroll down until you find the memory dump file. In my case, I don't have any memory dump file because I didn't have any error since I have Windows installed, but you will find it here. And if you delete it, you will be releasing a lot of free space on your computer, and you will be able to install whatever you want without any trouble for the disk being full. So by deleting memory dump files, you can free up a significant amount of space on your PC. So that's how to delete or clear memory dump file in Windows laptop or desktop PC. So ask me in the comment section below in case of any issue during the whole process, and subscribe, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.